In case you missed it, Kanye West just bought a new home directly across the street from Kim Kardashian, and this is exactly how you should be buying your next home, and I'm going to tell you why. But first, let's recap so you have some context. If you've been on social media at all, then you've probably seen the headlines. And I mean, there was a lot of headlines. And I've read a lot of the articles online, but I think they're missing the main point. See, most of the articles, they're talking about the fact that Kanye can now keep an eye on Kim and Pete now that he lives across the street, but that's just surface level. Now, what they're not saying is the fact that he got prime location. And this is the exact advice that I give to my clients when we're shopping for a home. That location is everything. Now, being able to keep an eye on your soon-to-be ex-wife or her new boyfriend, well, that's just a bonus. Although the media is mostly talking about the purchase price, Kim K, and Sneaky Pete, what they should be focusing on is the fact that he got a great location. When buying a home, location is one of, if not the most important thing to consider when shopping around. And Kanye hit the nail on the head when it comes to two things. One, the area is a really good area to begin with. And two, he's in close proximity to his family. Whether your why is for money such as rental income or appreciation, or it's for the school district for your kids, here's 3 tips to consider so that you know that you're going down the right path. Number 1, population. Is it increasing or is it decreasing? A decrease in population is usually a sign that things aren't going so well. There's a reason why people are leaving, and that could be for a few things. Lack of jobs, lack of transportation, or simply because crime is going up in the area. If people are leaving, you want to find out why before you buy. Number 2, the school district. This works both on a personal level and the financial level. Now, if the school district is not your goal and you're more focused on that higher age bracket, then you don't have to worry about it. But if it is, then you want to pay attention to whether the school district is good or is it bad. Number 3, business and infrastructure. Are new companies coming to this neighborhood? Are they building means of transportation? Are they building residential housing? Are they building commercial storefronts? This is a sign that they feel that the neighborhood is on the up and up. When large companies start pushing money into underdeveloped neighborhoods, it's because they've already done their research. They feel that this is an opportunity for them to get a return on their investment by investing now while the price is low. So the next time you're shopping for a home, remember these 3 tips as far as location is concerned. That way you too can shop like Kanye West. Happy hunting. Peace.